Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power lift gate, Bose sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, heated rear seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.